Well, this is the second task wherein we have to find out the difference in elevation. Let us say between, again, top of the ground compound to the diploma building, C wing, floor level. Now the distance is very high, and in that case I need to have one change point. Okay, so how will work? Let us see differential leveling. Okay, so the very first reading again I will take on the benchmark as usual, and the reading which you have already taken. So bisection is over, focusing is over, and the reading is 1.185. So it will be same reading now also it is coming. Second reading I will take in between the intermediate points. Okay, now that I have taken arbitrarily, and the reading is coming out to be 1.120. 1.120. Stop. Now looking to the distance, I will now shift the whole assembly to a new position. Okay, and for that I will select again a point in between this station and the last station. So I need only one change point to be done. Stop. Now I selected this station point, wherein I can able to see the stop at the earlier point and the stop at the last point at wing C floor level. Okay, so again at new station point I will carry out the temporary adjustments. Setting up is over, fixing is over. Now let us go for leveling. So I have selected the pair, telescope parallel. Let us try to bring the bubble. It is in the center now. Again rotate it on the third foot screw, and using the third foot screw bring the bubble at the center. See, it has came in the ring, but not exactly. So let us repeat this procedure for twice at least. See, the bubble is at the center. Again for the new position, the bubble is at the center. So leveling is over. Immediately I will take now the reading on the point where I have taken the earlier reading. So the earlier reading was the last reading of the first setup, so it was Fs. Now the very first reading again I am taking on the same point. So this point is the point where we are taking two readings. One from the earlier session, it was 4 site reading, and now the very first reading called BS backside reading, and such a point is called as a change point. Change point is not the leveling point, level station point. Change point is the stop point where we are going to take two readings. So I will take the reading now on the stop. So sighting is over, focusing is over, and the reading is coming out to be 2.490. 2.490. So that is the very first reading. And now I will sight to the last point where the stop is to be kept, and focusing is over, sighting is over, focusing is over, and the reading is 0.530. 0.530. So this is how we have taken all the readings. Now enter these readings in your table and solve the problem by rise and fall as well as HI method. You can find out the difference in elevation between 2 points, but over here because the distance was more, so we need to have one change point, and so it is called differential leveling. You might have seen sometimes there is a stop inverted reading. Now what is that? And it is to be entered with minus sign. Let us see the reason. Suppose I want to find